How's it going, everyone? It's John Cope again from Cope Racing Transmissions. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm in Haney, and I'm doing nothing this Saturday. There's some test and tuning going on at my local track in US 41 in Morocco. So I thought I'd take Haney there, make a pass or two, come back home. I've never drove to their track in a race car and then drove back home. I've always trailered everything. But this is very streetable, and I know a lot of you guys drive to the track and drive home. But having race cars my whole life, this is the first time I'm doing it. So come on along and let's see what happens. I did it.
What'd you do?
I drove to the track.
You drove it all the way here, huh?
Yeah, big deal. It's in a
Fuck you, that's
12-second truck.
Hey, fuck it. Why you gotta...
Well, I've been sitting here what feels like an hour to make my first pass, and the car before us in the other lane spilled some antifreeze on the track, and they just got done cleaning it up, and they sprayed the track again. So I'm just sitting here waiting. I think I'm gonna just make a pass and call it a day, because right now it is 3:44 in the PM, and Saturday night is family dinner night. So I'm not gonna sit here all night waiting for I'm not going to sit here all night just to make a couple passes. I know what the truck runs. This will be my first pass in a quarter-mile track, which is what I've always used to been racing, is quarter mile. I think we're getting ready, so I'm going to put the camera in here. I was wrong. They're going to drag it one more time. So on the way here, the rear end starts zinging again. And this will be the third gear that I put in this rear end. And I was sitting down talking with Larry Boyd over in his pit spot. He's here with his GTX. And I fight to get the axles in and out of the housing. And it shouldn't be that. And what I mean by fight, I have to bang them in and bang them out, especially on the one side. So what we're thinking is happening is there's put too much preload when you're putting the axles in on the ring and pinion, because I was driving here just going 60 miles an hour, and a Challenger come up next to me, and I just leaned into it ever so slightly, and ever since then it started zinging. You know, it's not like I let go of the trans brake and then after that it was zinging. So I'm probably going to check into getting a brand new Strange housing. I want to send them my housing, take everything out and send them the bare housing so they can see if it's wrong, if something's not right, and I believe that it is. And if not, if it is, then I'm gonna just buy a new housing from them and be done with it. If not, you know, they'll tell me what they think it is. I hope it will. Boy, this is awful dark because the sun's going down a little bit. So we'll see here. He's almost done doing the drag. And yeah, we should be ready to go here. Unless he's gonna make another hit. Well, I just want to get one more pass in, or one pass in, because I haven't made a pass yet. I just want to get one pass in and then drive it home. Oh, at least drive it back to the shop. Hopefully there are the shop. Hopefully Mr. Haney makes it back to the shop okay, and I don't have no issues. Well, after waiting 2 hours up there, waiting 2 hours, just right behind the burnout box, because they pushed us back, said they had to prep the track, and then they'll let us and the guy next to me, or me and the guy next to me, make a pass. After 2 hours, they did junior dragsters, and now they're running the whole program. So I didn't get a pass, and I only drove out here to make a pass in a race car by driving it home and driving it to the track, racing it, and driving it back home, or in this case to the shop. Well, I drove to the track, I'm driving home, I never got to make a pass. I ain't gonna sit there for another couple hours. I mean, it's not the track's fault, because they leased the track out to a company, or they leased the track out to someone else who was running it, and they don't know what the fuck they're doing.